my goodness. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Damn. Don't do me. Don't do me. Okay. Okay. Give me a run for money. There was no What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going grocery shopping, but not just any grocery shopping. I'm going to be going to a couple of bulk stores in Brooklyn that I want to check out because we're trying to save some money, okay? So I'm gonna be buying in bulk and then doing a little bit of grocery shopping, and then I'm also going to show you guys some meal preps, meal plans that I'm planning on doing with the groceries that I'm going to get. So yeah, let's get into it. Me and my sister are getting ready. We're about to leave the house to go to, what's the place called? Recycle, upcycle?
Something cycle.
Pre-cycle?
Pre-cycle, that sounds...
Pre-cycle Brooklyn. We finna go there and get our junk. Yeah, these the fits, It's the fit. We giving cozy vibes today.
Yeah.
We're about to head out now. We just got dressed, just got ready for the day. We're checking out this place in Brooklyn that sells like bulk foods and stuff like that. This is our first time going there. I don't know if they just opened or not, but we just heard about them and we were like, we're trying to find some places that sell bulk items because I'm just trying to save money and like have staple pantry items so I don't feel like I'm going grocery shopping like every 2 seconds. But yeah, we're gonna leave and we're gonna bring y'all with us. Yeah. Because it is a bulk store, I'm gonna make sure I'm bringing some of my jars just to put stuff in. The place actually does sell jars, but because I bought my own, I'm just gonna bring my own. Okay, thank you so much.
Awesome.
just left Pre-Cycle. I spent $95, y'all. I'm actually really proud because at first I was kind of nervous that it was gonna be really like crazy expensive, but I feel like for the stuff that I got, 95 was like perfect. So, and then that stuff's gonna last me a really long time, so I'm super excited about that. They seem like a really nice grocery store, so I'm definitely gonna be back and shopping with them on a regular. So now we're trying to find like a nice market that we can get like our produce and stuff from. But I'm still new to New York, so we're trying to like find, you know, and explore like the different markets where you can get like the most bang for your buck. So we'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store. There's a couple of items that I didn't get just because they didn't have like the variety that I wanted, and then I also didn't get like some of the strawberries and the berries just because they were looking a little bad. So tomorrow I think I'm just gonna like stop by Whole Foods and just grab the couple of items that I didn't get there, just because that grocery store doesn't really have a lot of selection to certain things, so it's just kind of for like your basic items. But I ended up spending $106 today, which is not bad because I ended up getting like everything that I wanted and needed. So I'm super excited about that. So I'm about to show you guys everything that I got and then go ahead and put the groceries away. And then I'm probably gonna snack on something too because I didn't eat anything. So yeah.
I'm gonna lie, I'm tired.
I just got you on recording. Look at all of these groceries. Everything looks so good. Here is the receipt, 106. Okay, so before we put these beautiful groceries away, we need to tackle this fridge. And don't come for me, okay, y'all, because I know this fridge is looking kind of crazy, but life be lifing, all right? And we be busy. But anyway, as you see, I'm about to clean this whole thing out, put everything away so it can be nice, pretty, and clean, and just set for the week. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the fridge was looking atrocious. I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay because we're gonna get it together. Okay, so I just made it home. I spent way too much money at Whole Foods, money that I really wasn't expecting to spend. But it's okay because I just restocked on some of like my beauty products and things like that. And then I ended up going with like the cheaper matcha because the other matcha that I was gonna like was like $30. So this is my first time trying to like get into the whole matcha vibe. So I just went with the cheaper one, but I'm gonna lay everything out, show y'all what I got from Whole Foods, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, so this is everything that I got from Whole Foods. So it was a couple of things that I didn't really need. I just wanted to get like this dressing I really wanted to try. And then here was the matcha that I went with. Super excited to try this and get into the whole matcha thing because I've been needing a lot of energy. And then I stocked up on my favorite deodorant. They didn't have, they only had one more of these. So I ended up just getting like two of some different ones, like different smells, lavender and things like that. But really, this one is my go-to. And then I just got some toner because I needed it, and then some granola bars to have throughout the week. And then I also got this coconut yogurt because I think I want to make some chia seed pudding, and I think I'm gonna add that to it. So everything totaled out to $114, which I was kind of upset because I have a Amazon Prime membership, and when I was scanning the QR code it wasn't working, so it just is what it is. But yeah. Okay, beautiful people, that was the end of the video. I forgot I never filmed an outro, so I'm like, here I am weeks later filming the outro. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was my first time doing like a grocery shopping haul slash come go shopping with me type of video, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm sorry if it was like kind of all over the place. In the future I'll try to be like more detailed as far as like how much everything costs and things of that sort of nature, but it was just kind of like a quick little come grocery shopping with me. So anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I ended up separating the meal prep with the grocery shopping haul just because I didn't want this video to be super long. So stay tuned for the meal prep with me, and then I think that's it. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a beautiful blessed day, and I will see y'all in the next one.